69th Ganeshotsav celebration G.S.B Seva Mandal antu jatta sir. Last year also you had come sir, we had taken an interview. So it's always a blessing to come here and take blessings of Ganapati Bappa. So how do you feel about this?
Feel very blessed. I'm coming here for many years, and every year I look forward to coming here and taking his blessings, because his blessings always is very fruitful for our family, for everybody. So I think everybody should visit this place and take Bappa's blessings. We also keep Bappa at home for 1.5 days, and we do aartis and Visarjan at home only. So he is a magical Lord, I will say. Whatever you ask, whatever you need, he blesses you with that.
And one more thing sir, once you come here, every year he only calls you.
Yes, maybe he only calls us. That's why every year we come here.
Thank you so much. Thanks.